down that blouse right now. I'm about to blow your mind with something that's been sabotaging your style for years, and you probably don't even know it. I'm talking about 7 sneaky blouse mistakes that are instantly aging you and making you look frumpy. And girl, we're fixing this today. Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Enduring Elegance, the channel where we prove that style has absolutely no expiration date. I'm your style bestie, and I'm here to make sure you look absolutely radiant every single day. And if you're just discovering us, honey, you just found your style sanctuary. Let's get real for a hot minute. How many times have you stood in front of your mirror wearing what you thought was a cute blouse, but something felt completely wrong? You couldn't pinpoint it, but you just didn't feel as polished, confident, or vibrant as you imagined. Sound familiar? Here's the truth bomb. It's usually not you, gorgeous. It's the blouse. And I'm about to share the 7 biggest blouse mistakes that are secretly dragging down your entire look. But here's the amazing news. Every single one of these has an easy fix that will transform how you look and feel. But first, before we dive into these game-changing secrets, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, because I'm dropping practical, confidence-boosting style tips that make getting dressed fun and exciting again. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. Mistake number 1. The baggy disaster zone, ladies. We need to have a serious heart-to-heart about this one. I see so many gorgeous women drowning themselves in oversized, baggy blouses, thinking they're being smart by hiding their bodies. But honey, let me tell you something. Baggy doesn't hide anything. It just makes you look like you're wearing a tent. Here's what's really happening. When your blouse is swimming on you, it eliminates your natural waistline, makes your proportions look off, and actually adds visual weight to your frame. Instead of looking elegant and put together, you end up looking shapeless and lost in your clothes. The magic word here is skim. You want blouses that gently follow your body's natural lines without clinging or drowning you. Look for these flattering details, subtle darts that create gentle waist definition, curved hemlines that gracefully follow your hip line, soft pleats in the back that add shape without bulk, princess seams that create beautiful silhouette. Quick styling fixes. Already own some too baggy blouses. Don't panic. Try the French tuck. Just tuck the front portion into your pants or skirt. Instantly creates definition. Or add a slim belt to bring back your waistline. You can also layer a fitted cardigan or blazer over it to create structure and intention. Mistake number 2. The compression chamber. Now, on the complete opposite end, some of you beautiful ladies are still trying to squeeze into blouses that are way too tight, or made from super stiff fabrics. I totally get why this happens. Sometimes we think a tighter fit will make us look slimmer, or we're holding on to styles from years past. But here's the real talk. When your blouse is pulling at the buttons, creating weird wrinkles across your back, or making you feel like you can't breathe, it's not flattering anyone. Tight, restrictive clothing actually highlights every little bump and curve you're trying to minimize. Stiff fabrics are equally problematic. They create harsh, boxy lines that fight against your body's natural softness. The result? You look uncomfortable, dated, and frankly, the outfit looks cheap no matter how much you spent. The solution? Choose fabrics that have beautiful drape and movement. Look for soft cotton, blends that breathe with you, flowy silk or silk-like materials, crepe fabrics that drape elegantly, jersey knits with just a hint of stretch, viscose blends that move gracefully. Shopping tip: always do the movement test in the fitting room. Lift your arms, twist your torso, sit down. If anything pulls, tugs, or restricts you, walk away. Clothes should make you feel free and confident, never trapped. Mistake number 3. Outdated collar chaos. Oh, honey, let's talk about those collars. I see so many women still rocking those giant pointed collars from the 1980s, or buttoning their blouses all the way up to their chins like they're headed to a Victorian tea party. Here's what's happening. Oversized, sharp collars can completely overwhelm your features and make your face look smaller. And buttoning up to the very top? That's visually shortening your neck and drawing attention downward instead of up to your beautiful face. What works like magic? Soft V-necks that elongate your neckline and create elegant proportions. Gentle scoop necklines that are universally flattering. Modern collarless designs that feel fresh and contemporary. Mandarin collars for a sophisticated, updated look. The bonus? These necklines give you the perfect opportunity to showcase beautiful jewelry. A delicate necklace, classic pearls, or even a colorful scarf can add personality and draw attention to your face. Mistake number 4. Print pandemonium. Don't get me wrong. I absolutely love prints. They add personality, joy, and visual interest to any outfit. But when they're too loud, too busy, or too overwhelming, they stop being stylish and start being distracting. The problem with giant florals, crazy geometric patterns, or super busy multicolored prints is that they become the star of the show instead of you. Your eye doesn't know where to focus, so it gets stuck on the clothing instead of your beautiful face and confident presence. Smart print choices. Smaller scale patterns that add interest without overwhelm. Delicate polka dots in sophisticated color combinations, subtle stripes that create clean, classic lines, gentle florals in muted, elegant tones, abstract patterns with plenty of white space. Styling secret. If you absolutely love a bold print, make it the only pattern in your outfit. Pair it with solid colored bottoms and minimal accessories. This creates balance and lets the print shine without chaos. Color consideration. Choose prints in colors that complement your skin tone. Jewel tones like sapphire, emerald, or amethyst can make you glow. Soft pastels create a fresh, youthful look, and neutral-based prints are timeless and versatile. Mistake number 5. The length dilemma. This one might surprise you, but the length of your blouse is absolutely crucial to your overall proportions. I see so many women choosing tunic-length blouses that cover everything from chest to mid-thigh, thinking longer equals more flattering. But here's the styling truth. When your blouse is too long, it actually makes your legs appear shorter and throws off your entire body's balance. Instead of creating a sleek silhouette, it boxes you in and can make you appear heavier or shorter than you really are. The golden ratio, the most universally flattering length, hits right at your hip bone or just slightly below. This length frames your torso beautifully, allows your legs to take center stage, creates balanced, elegant proportions, works with virtually any bottom style. Making longer blouses work. If you love tunic styles, here's how to rock them. Pair with slim, fitted bottoms for contrast. Add a thin belt to define your waistline. Try a side tuck or front tuck to break up the length. Layer with a cropped cardigan or blazer. Mistake number 6. Sleeve situations. That don't work sleeves might seem like a tiny detail, but they completely transform how your entire blouse looks and how confident you feel wearing it. The biggest mistakes I see are sleeves that are too tight around the arms, overly puffy and costume-like, or that hit at the most unflattering part of your arm. Sleeve problems to avoid. Super tight sleeves that create bulges, extremely wide or puffy sleeves that overwhelm your frame, sleeves that end at the widest part of your upper arm, sleeves that are so long they make your arms look shorter, sleeve solutions that work beautifully. 3/4 sleeves are universally flattering and show off your elegant wrists. Flutter sleeves add graceful movement without bulk. Slightly draped sleeves that skim rather than cling bell sleeves with subtle flair for a modern feminine touch styling trick. If your sleeves are too long, roll them up neatly to just below your elbow. This instantly creates a more polished, intentional look. You can even tie a small knot in the rolled sleeve for a contemporary twist. Mistake number 7. Fabric quality fails. This is where so many women go wrong, and it can make even the most expensive blouse look cheap and unflattering. Poor fabric choices include shiny synthetic materials that cling in all the wrong places, stiff fabrics that don't move naturally, and cheap materials that wrinkle at the first sign of movement. Fabrics that make you look amazing. Natural cotton, blends that breathe and drape beautifully. Silk and silk-like materials that add instant elegance. Soft linen for relaxed sophistication. Quality jersey knits that move with your body. Crepe fabrics that create beautiful draping texture. Matters 2. Look for subtle textures that add dimension without being overwhelming. A gentle sheen, soft ribbing, or matte finish can elevate your entire look. The golden rule: if the fabric feels good against your skin and moves naturally when you walk, it will almost always look fantastic on your body. Your style revolution starts right now. My beautiful friends, there you have it. 7 game-changing secrets that will completely transform how you look and feel in blouses. The most exciting part? Every single mistake has an easy, actionable solution. Remember, style isn't about hiding who you are or following every trend that comes along. It's about choosing pieces that celebrate your unique beauty, flatter your amazing body, and make you feel absolutely incredible the moment you put them on. You've earned the right to dress in a way that makes you shine from the inside out. When you stop settling for clothes that don't serve you and start choosing pieces that truly elevate your look, you'll notice a shift not just in your wardrobe, but in your entire confidence level. Your action plan. Go through your blouse collection with these 7 tips in mind. Which mistakes have you been making without realizing it? Don't worry. We've all been there. The important thing is that now you have the knowledge to make better choices. If this video opened your eyes and helped you see your wardrobe in a new way, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Enduring Elegance. We're building an incredible community of women who know that looking fabulous and feeling confident has absolutely no age limit. And I would love for you to be part of this amazing journey. Drop a comment below and tell me, which blouse mistake were you guilty of? Which tip are you most excited to try? Your sharing not only inspires me, but helps other women in our community too. Until next time, remember this powerful truth. You are never too old, and it is never too late to look absolutely stunning. Keep embracing your elegance, beautiful soul, because you deserve nothing less than to feel amazing every single day. Stay gorgeous, stay confident, and keep shining.